In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add product schema code to your Shopify store. This process can be done in two primary ways, either by manually editing your theme files or by using a convenient Shopify app that automates the process for you. Let's dive into both methods, starting with the manual implementation. First of all, you'll want to access your Shopify admin panel. You'll need to log into your Shopify store to get started. Once you're in, navigate to your online store section and then to themes. This is where all the magic happens. Look for the Actions button next to your active theme and go ahead and click on Edit Code. Once you've opened up the code editor, you're going to want to locate the product.liquid file. You will typically find this under the Templates folder. It's the file responsible for handling all your product page specifics. Now, let's get into the nitty-gritty of inserting the product schema code. What you need to do here is paste the JSON LD code right at the top of the product.liquid file. This structured data helps search engines understand what kind of product you're selling, making it more visible in search results. Make sure you have an example JSON LD code ready to go. It should look something like this, specifying important fields like the product name, URL, image, description, SKU, brand, price, currency, availability, and condition. Don't forget, you might need to adjust these based on your particular product details to ensure everything aligns perfectly with what you're selling. Once you're done with the coding part, it's crucial that you save your changes and give the product page a spin on Google's structured data testing tool. This is to check whether your schema was successfully implemented. Now, if coding isn't really your thing, or if you're looking to save time, using a Shopify app can really simplify this task. Look for apps like Smart SEO or Schema Plus for SEO in the Shopify App Store and install one of them. These apps are perfect for automatically generating and implementing the necessary schema markup. The app will guide you through the setup, and it will make sure everything gets configured correctly. Once you've done that, you'll still want to verify the implementation using Google's structured data testing tool to ensure it's all correctly added and working seamlessly. Remember, there are a few key considerations to keep in mind. You want to make sure your schema code is in JSON LD format since this is recommended by Google. Additionally, using Shopify's liquid code will allow you to dynamically populate schema data from your product details. And always test your schema with Google's tool to fix any errors that might pop up. Taking these steps will significantly enhance your product visibility in search engine results and can do wonders for your overall SEO. So go ahead and give it a try. You might be surprised by the results.